Hi users, I'm Daniela. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This tutorial you can have more info about Kahoot. Well, go to the Google search and type Kahoot in this part and select the second link in this link. So, to obtain Kahoot, you must follow these steps. Click on the Enter button in the upper right part of the screen. And enter, for example, as a teacher, as a student, socially, at work. In this case, I will click as a teacher. Okay. And click to create an account. And click on Google, email, or Microsoft. You choose. When the account is created, click on the Login button in this part. Now, click on New Key button here. Now we can see the icons to choose the style of the game and create a new Kahoot. For example, the icons are quiz, jumble, discussion, survey. You choose. I will click on quiz, for example. In this part, you introduce a title. For example, domestic animals. A description. For example, my school students. For the learning of domestic animals in English. Okay. You choose only me, language, English, audience, for example, school in this case, and introduce your video. For example, I go to YouTube. For example, this video. Copy and paste the link. Okay. Then, click on the upper right part of the screen on the OK Go button. Then click on Add Question to create another question. And click on the bottom of the true answer here. For example, okay, the question is which one is this animal? Which one is this animal? Time limit 20 seconds. You choose PowerPoint yes. Answer 1. Chicken. Chicken. Cat. Cow. Duck. In this case, the true answer is chicken, because the image, you can upload image. In this case, the image are a chicken. This image open. Yes, I'm finished. Finally, click on the Save button or Next. Next, and you can add other question. For example, which one is this animal? Time 20 seconds, yes. Answer 1. Duck. Cow. In this case, the true answer is cow. Second answer. Because the image is a cow. Click on Upload Image for save the image. Open. Okay, good. Once created quiz, we can play by entering. Click on Next button. Okay, and you should select the true answer. In this case, is the answer 2. And click on the Next button. Of course, yes. Finally, click on the Save button. I'm done. In my Kahoots, I have my games. is domestic animals. You can play with your students in the classroom with the mobile device, iPads, cell phones, iPhones, and tablets. Click on Classic.
Move there, here a move, there a move, everywhere a move. Oh, MacDonald had a farm. Yeah.
This is a video that I saved of the page. You will show the code in this part. Copy and paste the code in this part. And then click on Enter button. The nickname, introduce my name, and click on the OK Go button. Okay, let's go. Which one is this animal? Is chicken. Next. Which one is this animal? Is a cow. I hope this tutorial helps you. See you later. Bye.